Can you play FACEIT without Prime? So if you want to play FACEIT without Prime, then what you need to do is Prime is a feature in CS2 that only affects Valve's official matchmaking. So it places you with other Prime users. It helps reduce cheaters and give access to Prime exclusive ranks, drops, and rewards. However, Prime has no impact outside of Valve's own matchmaking system. So FACEIT is an independent competitive platform with its own ranking system, servers, matchmaking rules, and anti-cheat. Because it doesn't rely on Valve matchmaking, your CS2 account does not need Prime to play on FACEIT. To play, you just need a valid Steam account, no active Valve or game bans, a minimum Steam level, and a FACEIT anti-cheat installed. The advantages include free rank matches, stronger anti-cheat, and a more serious competitive environment. The downsides are occasional spurts at lower levels, required anti-cheat installation, and some premium hubs that might require Prime. So the bottom line, yes, you can play FACEIT without Prime since Prime only affects Valve matchmaking. As long as your account meets FACEIT requirements, you can start playing. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.